Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring your database is reachable through a secure endpoint, REST or GraphQL, and that CORS and authentication are configured. Next, decide what the QR will carry: a short unique ID or a URL with one query parameter, because QR payloads should stay small for reliability. Once decided, generate the QR encoding the endpoint plus that ID. Then scan it immediately to confirm the string is correct, and the scanner reads the expected payload. Now you implement the middle layer that connects the scanned ID to your database. Create a backend route that accepts the ID, validates it, and queries the DB. Validation prevents SQL injection or malformed ID, so always sanitize inputs. Use HTTPS and bearer tokens or signed ID to ensure the scan cannot be replayed or forged. Once the query returns, format data as JSON with predictable keys so the client can parse fields consistently. This reduces bugs and speeds up client-side rendering. Finish by testing the complete flow on real devices. Scan the QR, follow the HTTPS call, authenticate, and render the DB result on the client. Make sure you log failures with the raw scan payload and timestamps so you can reproduce issues. Logs accelerate diagnosis when something breaks. If you hit errors, isolate the layer network, token/auth, ID to record mapping, or the client parser, and fix that component before retesting, because targeted fixes prevent cascading regressions and save time.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.